Good morning, friends. Today we will be starting our chapter fractions and decimals. Okay. So, what are fractions and decimals? You all have learned in class 5, right? So here we will learn about the arithmetic operation of fractions. What we will learn? The arithmetic operations of fractions. What does it mean? The sum and difference of the fractions means the addition and subtraction of the fractions. Okay. If we take an example, let's say 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. If you want to add this fraction, how we will do? First we will take the LCM of the denominator, right? LCM of 3 and 3 is how much? 3 only. Now 3 ones are 3, 1 ones are 1. Plus 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2. It will be how much? 3 upon 3, that is 1. In this way we add fractions. Okay. Now if you want to subtract fractions, then what we will do? Like if you want to say, let's say it's 9 by 3, it's 2 by 3. And if you want to subtract this, minus this, then what we will do? Same, we will take the LCM of this, right? 3 ones are 3, 9 ones are 9, minus, what we will do? 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2. It will be how much? 7 by 3. This is the subtraction of fractions. Now, if you look very carefully, in both our cases, numerator was different, right? But the denominator were same. Am I clear to you? In both the cases, the numerator were same, but the denominators are numerators are same, but the denominators are different. Now we'll see that what happens if the denominators are also different. Okay. Let's take an example previously. 1 by 3 plus, let's say 2 by 5. Okay. In this case, the denominators are different. What we will do? We will take the LCM of 3 and 5. It will be how much, children? It will be 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5, okay, plus 5 3s are 15, 3 plus 6. It will be how much? 11 by 15. This is the answer. Okay. Simple, na? Now if you want to subtract, then what we will do? Similarly, let's take 9 by 3 minus 2 by 5. What we will do in this case? Look, 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 9s are 45, minus 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6. Answer will be 39 by 15. Clear? Addition and subtraction both are same, just you need to keep in mind about the LCM. Correct LCMs should be taken. LCM means lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple between these two numbers we will take. In this case it's 15 for 3 and 5. Okay? Hope this is clear. Now arithmetic operation is done. Okay? Means addition and subtraction is done. Now if you want to multiply, let's say let's take an easy example. Okay, now we'll consider two cases. Let's say, what can we take, children? Let's take easy one. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Simple. It will be how much? 3 to the 6, 1 to the 1 by 6. Okay. During multiplication, we will multiply the numerator separately and denominator separately. 1 into 1, 2 into 6. Okay. Now, if it's given like this, 1 by 2 into 2 upon 3, these 2 and these 2 will be cancelled out because it's diagonal. Diagonal, you understand, na? It will be how much? 1 by 3. Look, I am explaining once again, okay? During multiplication, let's say 1 by 5 into 5 upon 11, suppose. During multiplication, always remember, during multiplication, we cancel out like this and like this. In this case, it's not same, but in this case, it's same, right? So we can cancel out 5. Suppose it's like this, 5 upon 11 into 9 upon 5. Then we can easily cancel these two. Okay? Or even if it's like this, 2 upon 3 into, let's say 1 upon 4. Then we can write 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It will be how much? 1 by 6. Am I clear, class? This is the multiplication of fraction. Okay? Now, let's come to the ultimate part, that is the division of fraction. Okay? During division, let's say 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 6. Okay? How we'll do this? Can you tell? Look, I am giving you a simple thing. 1 by 2 is written like this, right? Divided by 1 by 6 means, if we write it like this, divided by 1 upon 6. Okay? Okay, let's make it a more clear. I think the whiteboard is visible to you all. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 6. So how we'll write this? 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 6. Now listen and look very carefully, okay? This 1 is a part of denominator. Okay, if we can write it in this way also. 1 by 2 into 6 will go up, because 6 is denominator of denominator. Okay, it's how much? Simply 3. That's it. This is our answer. Am I clear? Class, am I clear or not? Okay, this is our answer. Now let me give you one shortcut. Okay, means let me show you one shortest trick to do this. If it's 1 by 2, it's divided by 1 by 6, right? We can reverse it. We can reverse the thing. Means it will be just 6 by 1. 6 by 1. Is it clear to you all? I don't think so. Okay, let me show you once again. Look, this was our question, right? Solve the division of 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 6. How will do it? Look. First we will write 1 by 2. Then if we change this sign to multiplication. Look, multiplication can be changed to division. Division can be changed to multiplication. Okay. Do not change to plus and minus, addition and subtraction. Do not change to plus and minus. Okay. If we convert it to multiplication, it will be how much? 6 will go up. 6. Below is 1. If you don't write 1 also, then it's fine. Then also it's fine. If you don't write 1 as denominator, then also it's fine. So answer is 3. Clear? One more example I am giving. Last one. Seven by 9 into, divided by 3 upon 27. How will solve it? Look, 7 by 9 into, we can write 27 by 3. So 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, 3 will cancel out. Answer is 7. Am I clear? Hope this is clear to you. Okay, go through this. If you have any doubt, just ask me. Okay, after this we'll study the decimals division. Okay, today only.